I'm here at Terminal Xochimilco. Let's see what they've got. Tamales. My breakfast cost me what? 15 pesos, about 60p. And I'm just walking to Embarcadero. Yeah. You got many choices, but the change can only be done by you. So I've decided to have any. Oh, lovely. I might just about have. Look at this. This comes from the land. I must pay gratitude to the people. So nice. Xochimilco, folks. I'm in Xochimilco, Mexico. The Xochimilco Square. Another one of the World Heritage Sites here in the world. In Xochimilco, little tricycles. Los maestros. Los maestros. Por ellas, aunque les paguen, Xochimilco. Oh, this circus. How can we allow this to happen? Look at this tree. Embarcaderos.
Que le ayudes a componer la verde. Esta.
Wow. There we go. Embarcadero tradizionale artes di Capidra. Folks, how wonderful, beautiful to see people. Incredible life. Everybody's getting on with life, and this is what the governments across the world stopped. The human expression. They're doing what they can in however they can to be honest citizens of the nation. This is an incredible country, Mexico and everywhere else. Wow. Amazing. Everyone is going to share that times of we live had Straw hat and the mask. Have a look at here. A little vegetable store along the pavement. Been working for so long. People are working together.
Para la merienda, para la cena, para el desayuno, lleve sus panquecitos.
Wow. Tacos are ricos. Gracias.